Welcome to all students. Today we shall study about the questions. The lesson first, nutrition in plants. In the back video, you have studied about the heterotrophic, parasitic, and saprophyte mode of the nutrition, and you have understand about it, what is the parasite, what is the saprophyte, and what is the heterotrophy. But further we shall study about the symbiosis. Question arise in the paper, what is symbiosis? Write about it. This type question can arise in the question paper. You should give the answer. The symbiosis is a type of living life. In the symbiosis, the two organisms live together. You can say, what do you mean by the symbiosis? The first of all, the question arises, what is the symbiosis? What do you understand by the symbiosis? You can say कि symbiosis is a living style of the two organisms. In this style, the two organisms live together. The both organisms are must for each other. When the two organisms live together, they help to each other for the shelter and the nutrients. In the symbiosis life, the both organisms help with each other to share the shelter and the nutrition. When two organisms live together and share, the organisms share with each other. What share? Shelter and nutrients. Their association is called symbiosis, and the organisms are called symbiont. When the two organisms live together for the share of shelter and nutrient, this type association of the two organisms, is called symbiosis or symbiosis life भी कह सकते हैं. Symbiosis life. In the symbiosis life, the two organisms live together and help to each other for the shelter and the nutrients. This type organism are called symbiont. Organism is called symbiont, but the association of the two group या two organism is called symbiosis. So symbiosis is a lifestyle, but organism is called the symbiont. This type organism are called symbiont. For example, lichen. Lichen is the example of the symbiosis life. Lichen is the name of a plant, a group of plants. Mycorrhiza also example of the group of two plants. So lichen commonly called a plant. These are occurs on the rocks, mountains, and other parts of the bark of the plants. Lichen consists of the two organisms. The first organism in the lichen is the fungi or fungus. You can say the lichen consists of two organisms because lichen is a symbiosis. ठीक है, तो lichen consists of the two organisms. First organism is called the fungus or fungi, and the second organism is called the algae. The fungi and algae, there are two organisms which live together and help with each other for the shelter and the nutrients. Both organisms obtain the food with the help of each other. You can see how the fungus and algae help in the nutrition with each other. Lichen consists of the fungi and the algae. Both are a group of plant. Fungus is also a group of plant. Algae is also a group of plant, but both live together. Fungus have no chlorophyll. In the lichen, fungus have no chlorophyll. And the algae have chlorophyll. So chlorophyll absent in the fungus but present in the algae. You know about the photosynthesis, you have read the photosynthesis. The chlorophyll present in the plant, they can prepare their own food. The algae can prepare their own food because the chlorophyll are present in the algae. But on the rocks, algae have no absorption power of the water. So the algae cannot prepare the food alone on the rocks. On the rocks, algae have also present the chlorophyll. They can prepare their own food, but they have no absorption power of the water. So they cannot prepare their own food. Fungus, fungi have no chlorophyll. This type plant, the fungus have no chlorophyll. So they cannot prepare their own food by photosynthesis. You have read about the photosynthesis. But fungus have absorption power. So they can absorb the water from the rocks. Fungus can absorb the water from the rocks, but cannot prepare the own food. Both organisms have problem for the prepare the food. So the both organisms live together and help to each other. कि algae have chlorophyll and fungus can absorb the water, तो chlorophyll and water obtain हो जाता है यहाँ पर. तो sunlight and the carbon dioxide also present in the atmosphere. Thus the both organisms can prepare the food and help to each other. This association is called the lichen. The association of the fungus and algae is called the lichen. You can write or know about the what is the lichen. If the question arises, what is lichen, write about it. You can write about the lichen. Lichen is a group of plant which live together, both plant, fungus and algae. This example of the symbiosis life. Mycorrhiza also a example of the symbiosis. Mycorrhiza also a association of the two organism that is called the fungus and the cycas plant. फंगस एंड साइकस प्लांट के बीच का एसोसिएशन जो होता है यह माइकोराइजा कहलाता है, क्योंकि फंगस एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर फ्रॉम द अर्थ एंड ट्रांसफर द प्लांट्स एंड प्लांट शेयर द शेल्टर to the fungus, so this association is called the mycorrhiza. So symbiosis, what is symbiosis? What is symbiont? The organism are called the symbiont. जो है this type living is called the symbiosis life. Example, lichen consist of the fungus and algae. Mycorrhiza consist of the fungus and the cycas. So these are the example of the symbiosis. The other questions, what are insectivorous plant? You know about the plant. A plant make or obtain our food from the other or prepare self. You have read about the back video. But on the earth there are some plants which trap the insect. On the earth there are some special type plants which trap the insect. You can think why the plant trap the insect. What is the reason? The plant grow on the soil. The insectivorous plant grow in the soil, but the nitrogen is deficient in the soil. The nitrogen is absent in the soil where the insectivorous plant grow. Due to deficiency of the nitrogen in the soil, the insectivorous plant eat the insect or trap the insect, because the nitrogen is very essential or necessary for the growth of the plant body. But the nitrogen is absent in the soil where the insectivorous plant are occurs. So the plants trap the insect to obtain the nitrogen for the growth of our body. So these are called the insectivorous plant. Example that pitcher plant, Nepenthes कहते हैं. pitcher plant घड़े के आकार का होता है. The leaf modify into a pitcher like structure. The pitcher is covered by a lid. When the insect sit on the pitcher, the lid is very sensitive and is closed. The pitcher, the insect enter the pitcher and the dissolve in the solution. The nitrogen of the insect body absorbed by the insectivorous plant, thus the plant obtained the nitrogen. So it is called the insectivorous plant. Venus flytrap, Dionia, the common name जो होता है Dionia, इसका scientific name Venus flytrap, is also a insectivorous plant. Vallisneria होता है, प्लांट होता है, डायोनिया है. तीसरा क्वेश्चन है, डिस्क्राइब द रिप्लेनिश ऑफ द न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन द सॉइल. यू थिंक द प्लांट्स आर द क्रॉप्स आर ग्रो इन द सॉइल ऑलवेज, सीजन बाई सीजन. द प्लांट्स एब्जॉर्ब द न्यूट्रिएंट्स फ्रॉम द अर्थ फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑलवेज. यू कैन थिंक the elements are continuous absorbed by the soil. The elements can deficient in the soil. The farmer add the fertilizer and manure for replenish the elements in the soil. And after the harvesting of the crops, when the crops are harvested, after one crops, the leguminous plant or leguminous crop should be grow in the soil. Thus the nutrients replenish in the soil and the soil becomes very fertile. तो आज ये चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन जो है लास्ट है, इसके बाद आपको एक्सरसाइज कराया जाएगा फर्स्ट चैप्टर का। ये क्वेश्चन आपके कॉपी में नोट बनना चाहिए, लिखा हुआ है सब कुछ।